What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Urban Armor Gear Plyo Pro cases for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So we are going to have a detailed review talking about all of their features, design, build quality, pros and cons, and which one you should buy depending on your preference. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the Plyo Pro case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So here you can see that it comes with the instruction that how to install the case on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So this is the part for the front frame, and here we got the part for the back panel of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see that it comes with a built-in magnet for the MagSafe compatibility. So the frame part is made of TPU, and here we got the polycarbonate backplate for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 back panel. Here you can see the adhesive strip on the frame, as well as we got the same on our backplate as well. So you will have to remove this protective film from the adhesive strips to use with your Plyo Pro case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 for better stability and the grip. But in this video I'm not going to remove them, and I will just put the device inside the case without removing the protective film from the case itself. So to use the Plyo Pro case with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, first you will have to put the back plate on the back panel, and here you will put the front frame on the front part of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, and we are good to go. As you can see, even without removing the protective film from the adhesive part, the grip of the back plate and the frame part is pretty solid. It's not coming out. As you can see, it's really good. So with adhesive it will be even better. But if you do not want to use adhesive, if you frequently change your smartphone cases, then you are okay without using the adhesive strips here on Plyo Pro case with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So we got the perfectly placed cutouts for all of the slots and ports. Here at the bottom you can see we got the cutouts for the microphone USB Type-C port, the speaker grill. At the top once again we got cutouts for microphones and the speaker grill. Here at the frame got the cutout for volume keys and the fingerprint sensor. The buttons are easily accessible, as you can see, and the same goes with the fingerprint scanner or the power button as well. It's pretty nice. As you can see that the hinge is not protected of the device in the closed state. So if you prop your device in this way, then there is a probability that the hinge of your Z Fold 5 will be a bit damaged, but the rest of the device is protected perfectly. As the Plyo Pro case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes with elevated edges to provide the protection to the front screen. As you can see, the edges are raised a lot, and so even if you drop your smartphone on flat surface, then it won't get any damage. The same goes with the back panel as well, because the area surrounding the camera module is raised a lot, and it will protect the camera of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 perfectly. The back plate is transparent, so it will allow you to show the beautiful colors of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 even with this case on. The Plyo Pro case fits perfectly on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, and it helps in using the device very easily, because without case it is a bit difficult to open the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, but with this Plyo Pro case, as you can see, it's a very smooth operation. And since the Plyo Pro case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes with military standard 810G 516.6 certification, the durability of the case is pretty solid and it will protect your device in any condition. And since it comes with a built-in magnet for MagSafe compatibility, you can use it with MagSafe compatible accessories as well. So here I got an Urban Armor Gear wireless MagSafe compatible power bank, and as you can see it's working fine with our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 with the Plyo Pro case on, and the magnet is very strong, as you can see, so the MagSafe accessories will not fall off your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 here. So if you're planning to buy a case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, then the Plyo Pro case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 from Urban Armor Care is a very nice option for you as it provides solid protection to the device and it comes with MagSafe compatibility as well. So thanks for watching this video, friends. If you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.